Good morning. How are you? Today I have come with a topic, how to follow your dreams. Really. In the last video we have gone through the importance of time. I told you that time is very important. Time is our life. We have to invest our time, because if we are not going to utilize time, then some other is going to utilize our time. So that is our duty, how we can do best in our life, how we can achieve best in our life, because the time is limited. One day it will vanish, one day you will die, then you will not have the time. So we have discussed in last video, then understand the importance of time. Then following that topic, I'm going to tell you how to pursue your dreams, how you can follow your dreams. Generally we know that time is very valuable, but we are unable to understand what to do. Always we have the question what to do, how to do. Everybody wants to do something a lot, but we do not find then how. So today I'll tell you some of the points. Might be that points will help you, and if that don't help you, then you can again ask the question, then I'll try to find some more solutions for you all. So my first point is that if really you want to achieve something in your life, then you will have to visualize yourself. Visualize means there must be vision of your life. The first point is that vision of your life. What is the vision of your life? Have you decided the vision of your life? You visualize yourself, you envisage yourself that what you are going to achieve, what you have to achieve, what is the dream of your life. Have you decided your vision? Most of the organizations, most of the people are failed because of the lack of vision. We do not decide our vision. We do not visualize ourselves. That is why we are unable to achieve that, because there are so multiple things to do that. So simultaneously we try to do this. Okay, we don't know English, we should learn English. We don't know technical skills, we should do this, we should do this, we should do this. So we divide ourselves in multiple things. And what happens? We become the jack of all trades and not master in one. And when we are not master in one, then how we can achieve that level? Because to achieve that level, you will have to be perfect. You will have to be the master in that particular subject. So visualize yourself. Vision. You must have a proper vision. Where do you want to see yourself? What vision you are going to decide? Next, once you have decided your vision, you see yourself that is the target of your life, then plan accordingly. Planning is must. Lack of planning always will give the problem to you. Lack of planning will not give you the solution. Planning is very necessary. Planning is the most essential part of our life. Most of the top people, what did they do? They plan. Most of the successful people, what they do? They get up in the morning and they plan their daily schedule. They plan each minute, each hour, what they are going to do, what they have to do, how this day is going to give them something. So planning. You should have the planning. In planning, you can decide the long-term goal and short-term goals. Means, like, if you have visualized, you have decided that you want to achieve after 5 years, you want to be this, then you will have to plan then within these 5 years what short-term goals should be there which I have to achieve. So not planning is not like only related to long-term goal. That should be related to short-term goal also. You have to plan your short-term goals. Make short-term goals and work on that. Third point is that once you have planned yourself, then you have to set your priorities. Always set your priorities. We never set our priorities. We get up in the morning, we have planned, then we will do this thing, but we do not set our priorities. Then what is to be done first, what is to be done second, what is to be done third, what is to be done fourth, and how much time is to be devoted for which task. You will have to set your priorities. You will have to set everything. That should be in your mind, that should be in your paper. You will have to. If you are not going to set your priorities, then how you will work on that? Because on which work you have to give like half an hour, you will be giving 1 hour. On which work you have to give 1 hour, you will be giving half an hour. So you will have to set the priorities. Always set your priorities, because your priorities will make you awake. Your priorities will always convert into your action. So set your priorities. Next point is that once you have visualize yourself, once you have planned yourself, you have set your priorities, then your priorities should define your passion also. I have discussed in my last video also that you have to be very, very, very passionate. So if you don't have the passion to achieve that, then how you will achieve that? So your priorities should be related to your passion also. Means you will have to create passion in that project, whichever you are going to achieve, whichever you have planned, whatever you have thought, whatever you have decided, you will have to be very passionate in doing that thing. Next is that what you are going to decide, that should be based on your values also. Like I give you the example, like if you want to go in army, but you can't kill anyone. You're afraid, no, this is an inhumanity. How I can kill a person? If he is doing wrong, then God will punish him. I cannot kill anyone, so you cannot go in that post. So your passion, your career, your plan, your vision must be related to your values also. What values you have? What do you think about that? According to that values, you will set everything. It happens, I have seen it happens. Many times it happens that people they don't observe their values and they plan. Then what happens when they start doing their work, then their values entangled in that. Their values just generate problems there. No, I cannot do this, I cannot do this, how I cannot do this. So you will have to set your values also in achieving that thing. So always find your values. What are your values? Then that will help you to achieve your vision, that will help you to achieve your target, what goal you are going to decide. Another important thing, always analyze yourself, always evaluate yourself. That thing is lacking in us. That is very important point. That is most important point. Then you have to analyze, you have to evaluate yourself. Where do you see if you have planned today that in this 24 hours what you have to do, and at night you are not going to evaluate, at night you are not going to analyze, in evening or at noon, at whichever time, if you have not analyzed yourself that you are going at a right path, you are not going to divert from your vision, you are not going to divert from there, then how you will achieve that? Many times it happens, people set their vision, people plan for that, people see their values and all, but they forget to evaluate themselves, they forget to analyze themselves, they forget that really what did they plan, really they are following that, really they are working on that, these things are going in right direction, they are moving in right direction, what are the changes they require. So always evaluate yourself. Along with that, next thing, then you have to also find out what skills, what knowledge, what things are required, how much money is required, how much skill is required, how much knowledge is required, what things are required to reach up to that level, so that you can work on that. If you're not going to work, so suppose you have planned that you will study in Harvard University and you will study there, and you know your financial condition, so you will have to work on that also. You have to see your physical condition also, that how many hours you can work if you are going to find that kind of job. If you are going in police, army and all, then you will have to see. If you are going in navy, then you will have to see. Are you not scared of are you not scared of water? So then see the skills, what skills is required, what knowledge is required, then what money is required, what other facilities are required. So whenever you plan, then you will have to see what things are required to achieve that. Fine. Another point is that do not feel sad, do not feel bad if someone is getting angry from you, because you cannot please everyone. If you are doing best, you are trying your best, so always invest yourself. Always observe that who is wasting your time. Never waste the time with those people who is giving you negative vibes, who is giving you negative things. Do not waste your time. Do not try to make them please. Always think that no, these things are not helpful for me, because you have to invest yourself. If you are not going to invest yourself, then how will you achieve? So You will have to invest each moment, each minute, each hour. Then you will have to think, I'm going at right path, I'm moving in right direction. That will give you so much happiness. And really, this is also very important. If you're not happy in doing all these things, then no one can help you with that. Because happiness comes first. If you feel burdened, why I have to do, why I am doing, so you will not be able to do that. Then you will have to be very happy in doing all these activities. Along with that, next thing is that forget your past and pursue your future. You work on your future. What happened in past, let it be, because that is gone. I have said, once time is lost, that can never come back. Whatever you have now, work on that. Only you can work on that. How you can best utilize that. How you can design that. How you are the architect of your life. You have to design, you have to decorate. So work on your future. Think, always think how I can give my best, where I am lacking, where I have to work, what are the weaknesses are there, where I have to find. Write your weakness and strength on a paper and then find out how many weaknesses you have. What is your strength which really can help you, which you really can rule over these things, and what are the weaknesses really that can destroy you, that can spoil you, that can become hurdle for you. Work on your weakness and strength. So in our next video, we will discuss over the strength and weakness and how we can work and what strength and weakness are really helpful for us. Okay, thank you. I think this topic really must have helped you. So what we have discussed, how you can pursue your dream, you visualize yourself, plan yourself, set your priorities, set your values, and then see what other things are required, what skills and what other things are required. Analyze and evaluate time to time yourself. Are you going in right direction? Always avoid the negative people and try to invest yourself as much as you can invest. Work on your future. I think these points are really going to help you if you are serious for your career and you want to do something. And do work on that. Practice on that. Practice and practice and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. So do work on that. Practice on that. Even though you find any problem, you don't find the solution of your problem, then please write to me. Then I'll work on that and I'll be happy if you're asking question to me. Thank you. Wish you all the best for your life.